Very good morning to one and all. Welcome to the chapter number 3 or model number 3, data link layer. In this lecture, I am going to explain the elementary data link protocols. Lecture number 18 start with the subtopic which is already mentioned here, that is elementary data link protocols. So before going to this lecture, we introduce the review of previous lecture number 17. In lecture number 17, we discussed about error correction and detection in data link layer, which is a design issue. How the data link layer will be dealing with the error correction and error detection with the help of codes. Today's lecture, we start to introduce the subject of protocols. 3 protocols which are increasing the complexity. So the protocols available in before look the protocols, we make the explicit the assumption underlying the communication model. So assume that the physical layer, data link layer and network layer are independent processes that communicate by passing the message back and forth. A common implementation is shown in figure. So there are the 3 types of elementary data link layer protocols will be implemented. Utopian simplex protocol, simplex stop and wait protocol, that is for error free channel, and simplex stop and wait protocol for noisy channels. So one of the assumptions to be made that network layer, data link layer and your physical layers are connected in one hardware. So a common implementation which is shown in figure with the help of a dedicated hardware device, that is called as a NIC. NIC stands for network interface card. So all these 3 layers, network layer, data link layer and physical layer, they are actually implemented in one platform with the help of a hardware, that is network interface card. And the data link layer make sure that the physical layer will be like as a cable. So that is the main objective of this data link layer. So look like wire physical layer. Then another implementation is also possible, that is the network accelerator. 3 processes running in CPU software defined ratio. So preferred implementation changes decade and decade. So that is one. So the library which is to be defined for the structure elementary of data link layer. So that is first define the packet size, then define the boolean type of unsigned integer in the sequence number or acknowledgement number, type of structure in unsigned packet definitions, then 3 different frames format will be defined for the acknowledgement. Then in this the frames are supported to the transport layer, the frame kind, the sequence number, acknowledgement number and packet information which is to be sent for a network layer. Then we define the some events which is to be make. So make assumptions. There are the 2 machines. Machine A wants to send a long string to another machine B. The reliable connection oriented service. Later will be considered where the B wants to send the data simultaneously to be assumed the infinite supply of data ready to send never waits for the data. So here the assumptions to be makes that the channel must be noiseless and the data will be transmitted over two machines. Using these assumptions, we understand the functions of elementary data link protocols. So these are the some to start the clock and some. This is the library functions. These all are the library functions which will be used. Then we define first type of elementary data link protocol, that is Utopian simplex protocol. Utopian provides for the data transmission in only one direction. From sender to receiver, the communication channel is assumed to be error free and the receiver is assumed to be able to process the input infinitely quickly, and consequently sender just sits in a loop pumping data onto line as a fast. So Utopian is a simplex type of protocol which send data only one direction, means in simplex form, and the channel which is to be used is ideal state, means error free, and receiver assumed to be able to process input lightly. So that is the assumptions to be made in Utopian simplex protocol. The library functions which is to be defined here. So include protocol, the all functions which will be previously defined in elementary data protocols which will be come to this. Now what are the advantages or drawbacks? So Utopian simplex protocol, it is a provide simple data transmission in one direction only, and the channel is assumed to be error free. So Utopian simplex protocol is unrealistic because it does not handle the either flow control or error correction. That is a drawback. It processing flows that the acknowledgement connection less service that realize higher layers to solve these problems through even the acknowledgement connection less service do in some error addresses. So they are the true drawbacks. So this is the library function which is defined for the Utopian simplex protocol. Then we define a simplex stop and wait for noisy channel protocol. So why it is called as stop and wait? The protocols in which the sender send one frame, then waits for the acknowledgement before proceeding in the next frame. So that is called as a stop and wait. So here it is also provide for a one direction flow of the data sender to receiver. The communication channel is once again assumed to be error free, means ideal in a protocol. However, this time receiver has only one finite buffer capacity and finite processing speed. So the protocol must be explicitly event sent from floating receiver with the data to be handled. So this type of protocol which is simple and stop with noisy channels. Here the data of direction flow from one direction to the another direction, and it has capacity to send the acknowledgement. So it is a connection oriented, means we can send it. So this is the library structure. We define the buffer from out of frame structure, packet which is received from the network layer, and this is another conditions which is to be in loop form, while loop form. So we can define here the second receiver conditions in also loop form. So we can get for the simplex stop and wait for noisy channels. So in this lecture we define the some elementary data link protocols, which is the two types basically. First one is a simplex Utopian simplex protocol, which is a simplex and there is a no error control and flow control functions. But the second, which is a simplex stop and wait protocol for noisy channel and as well as the noiseless channels. So we can stop here. Thank you very much.